Talking about classes for starts, he says just race them and figure it out. That's exactly right. So all this stuff starts at a grassroots level. So this starts at local racing. And let me tell you about these local promoters, guys. They're not doing it for the money. They're not the AMA. They need your sign-up fees. So if a couple of you guys show up at the motocross tracks with starts, Sur-Ons, I don't care what you show up with, they're going to either find a class to put you in or make a class for you because they want your sign-up money. Then that's just going to trickle up to the regional level, and then it's going to become a national AMA thing, and then before you know it, lastly but not leastly, it's going to be in the pro ranks. It's just the way it's going, guys. But it starts with you all. Grab the bikes, take them to the track, sign up and race them. What's up, big dog?
I still have one bar left.
You still have a whole bar of battery left after all that time in the mud?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, that battery lasts a long time, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have fun slopping around in the mud today?
Yeah.
Okay.
About each battery, like, has enough power to go through about 20 laps.
20 laps?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can get about 20 laps with each bar of battery.
Yeah.
All right, you want to go jump in the pool?
Yeah.
All right.